very good.
Very good. Feel better, I believe, kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So, kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So, sobrang thank you.
So, welcome to our clinic this morning. What brings you in? What kind of problems do you have?
I have something heavy here, then bleeding here, then useless, then I have a back pain here.
Any pain there, though?
Here.
Any pain?
Here.
Right there, all right. Pain?
Here.
All right, deal.
And I heavy.
Heavy where?
Yes. Oh. Oh.
What's the difference?
So great, so good. I can touch my feet now.
So, welcome to our clinic this morning. What brings you in? What kind of problems do you have?
I have something heavy here, then bleeding here, then useless, then I have a back pain here.
Any pain there, though?
Here.
Okay, and look up. This one. You feel the pain? No? All right, back to neutral. Now turn this way. Any pain?
Here.
Right there, all right. The other side.
None.
None. Okay, back to neutral. Now I'm going to check your back. Okay, turn this way. Okay.
Here.
All right, the other side.
And I heavy.
Heavy where?
Yes. None. Oh. Oh. Good.
All the way out. Blow it out, please.
Good. Feels good. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Woo.
Nice.
Good. I like it. I like it. I like that part. Good. It feels great. Perfect, Doc. Then the pain is gone at my back. Then my shoulder has no heavy something on it. So my back here is now it's not something or no more pain on it. So
What's the difference?
so great, so good. Like a while ago.
Good.
Yes, so good.
Back to neutral.
No more pain.
Other side.
So it feels so good.
Right, fine. No, let's turn.
Yes, I feel so good.
Other side.
Yes.
Back to neutral. Go to the right seat.
Oh. I can touch my feet now.
Other side.
Yes, I can touch my feet.
All
Oh,
right.
I feel so great now than a while ago. Then Then now I feel I breathe clearly. Yes. So that's it.